Hello and welcome on this Smadeo tutorial. Today I'm going to describe Smadeo backoffice. So first please log in on this address, so https://app.smadeo.com/login, and then enter your username and your password. So here I'm going to log in as Barack Obama, and I'm going to get samples of Smadeo projects. So actually this backoffice has been designed for information and communication professionals. So here you'll have some assistance, so tutorial videos, a bug report form, a contact form, and the credits. And after that you'll have the opportunity to get all your folders, all your projects in one list, or get the latest folders and the latest projects here straight on the home page. Actually, you can have several projects within a folder. So I created one dealing with a broadcast, which is called the West Wing Week, and I'm going to get all the projects straight here from the West Wing Week. And here we are entering the most important part of Smadeo backoffice. It's the project management panel. So we have four different parts: the parameters, the media, action management, and the publication tools. So here I'm going to fix my project parameters. So a project name and an image that can be found on the backoffice to make it easier. A project description that can be found on the player itself, on the About, the question mark button. And then you can skin your player, dark or light, your color appearing as a roll hover, the main content just as if you were fixing the home page of your website, your Google Analytics ID, actually it's a UA code exactly if you were managing a new website in Google Analytics, and for advertising your vast link, on, off, and the probabilities to get a commercial. But here we won't put any commercial. The most important part of this panel is dealing with the media section. The media section is divided in two parts. First of all, you can add some content. A YouTube video, a Dailymotion video, a streaming video. It's always the same process. You name it, you give the video URL, you can upload a subtitle, and at the end you have the opportunity to suggest 3 different kinds of activities, or take action, or sharing tools, or the list of all the related content that has been integrated within your project. You can also add a text with a name, a text, both external or internal links, and an image. After that you can suggest a picture. So you create a gallery, you describe it, and then you upload all your photos here. So if you have one picture, it's going to be just like a single image. If you have several of them, you can have an image gallery. The sound is almost the same integration process as the videos. The only difference, you can have like titles, subtitles, suggested content, but you also have this image just to illustrate your sound. And finally, you have the opportunity to add external links. So you just name it, you paste the link, and then it's okay. You are going to get all the content you want to weave around your video as a list. And now let's say I want to weave this content. So I just click edit on the video I want to turn interactive. And then I'm going to get all the content that has been added to this project and that already have been weaved on this video. And then the process is very simple. You just click on any kind of content you want to suggest. You have a pop-up, you just fix hours, minutes, seconds, a notification text, and then it's okay. You're gonna get all your content weaved on your video. So you can test by clicking on publish, and then you have an overview of your project just as if it was
Welcome
normal.
to the West Wing Week, your guide to everything that's happening at...
And last but not least, you'll have the opportunity to suggest some actions. Actions are of three kinds. You can have a quiz. You just ask a question. You name your quiz, and then you ask questions and answers. So here, I'm going to add a question and then add some answers, and then publish the quiz. Here I'm going to have a poll, which is almost the same kind of process, except that you are going to get the results of this poll. And finally, you have all kind of external links. These external links can be titled, and then you just paste the link as itself. But the key issue is that you can suggest some pictograms just to illustrate the kind of link you want to publish. And so now after that, you can test. Your project can be embedded in any website page, including Facebook. And so here I'm going to get an HTML page with your new Smadeo project. So that's all for this tutorial. One more time, you can call us anytime and report a bug or contact us or get back to these video tutorials if you have any questions. Bye bye.